Hi, my name is Marietta Mehanni, and this week's Aqua tip is a thank you to Bev Selway. Bev Selway is one of the Aqua instructors in my Aqua Mentoring. She's also done the MGM instructor pathway. She's fabulous, and she shared this combination with the Aqua Mentoring Group that I run, and I'll show you what she came up with. It's really, really good. So we're going to circle in with one arm 2 times, circle out with the other arm 2 times, circle both arms twice, and then you circle in with one arm, circle out with the other arm, circle both arms twice. It's a really nice combination. Make sure people are in shallow enough water that they can stay stable, fingers open, to really create that drag, because you want them to really drag that water around. Now you could just repeat it on one side. So right arm twice, both arms. I'm going to show you what you can do with this. So 1, 2, it's great core activation. I'm really working hard to stay stable. And then you can then repeat the whole thing on the other side. So 1, 2, out, 2, circle twice. 1, actually it was the other way around, wasn't it? It was 1, 2, that's better. 1, 2, and then everything circles this way, right? So we always circle out first, circle in on the second one, and then both arms together. And then you could combine it. So it's circle out, you've got to circle out first. And then the rest is easy, right? Both arms. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Now I did something a little bit with it because I love the combination. So you can go one side only, other side only, then alternate, or you can go 1, 2, 1, 2, circle in and circle the other way, which then sets you up to remember to circle out the other way. So then you go out and then around the other way, and then you swap sides. So that was just my little tweak, but the exercise in itself is great. I love circular patterns in the water, don't you? Don't you love a circular pattern in the water? And then pull around. Key thing here is keeping the feet down on the bottom of the pool, and they've got to stay as grounded as possible, spreading the fingers open to create enough turbulence to activate the abdominals. And you can actually say that to them. You could say, make sure you're dragging enough water around so you can feel it in your abdominals. Fabulous, love it. Thank you, Bev. And that is this week's Aqua tip. Such an easy combination to include in your class, and it feels amazing in the water. So easy one to demonstrate on land, that's for sure. Feet wide apart, make sure you bend your knees slightly so that the clients understand that they've got to sort of sit in the water, which is going to help them with keeping the lower body stable. Keeping the lower body stable is what will activate the core muscles, and you'll also get a little bit of that inner thigh and your hip abductors working as you hold yourself still. So very easy. All you have to do is say to your participants, get them to spread their fingers wide, round one way, then the other arm goes the same way, and then it's both arms. Right? Now what you've got to be mindful as an instructor is that you don't get carried away and you start rocking your body because you're getting into the music and it's a cool move to do. You want to make sure that they understand to stay really still. So one arm, other arm, both arms. And let me tell you, I know I'm actually having to squeeze my buttocks to stop myself from rocking. Then, of course, you go the other side, one arm, other arm, And then this is a little bit slower, especially if you're using the music. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I had my little final tweak on it. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Circle one way, circle the other way, which then set myself up for being able to repeat the whole sequence again on the other side. Now, I have to tell you, it is quite a challenge to keep yourself from not rocking from side to side. So just make sure that you're demonstrating exactly what you want your clients to do in the water, and you're not getting all carried away with the movement. Thank you, Bev. Great combination. I've already used it in my classes with a lot of success, and I hope that you do too. And that is this week's Aqua Tip.